What's up guys, so I'm gonna talk about a few things in this video, but before to start, I'm gonna do a little unboxing cause there's a box sitting right here. So yes, here it is. This is my new phone. So this phone is the OnePlus 7. This is a pretty good phone and I really needed a new one because this was my old one and this one was not really good. Anyway, let's go outside. I gotta talk to you about a few things. So I already talked about it in a previous video, but this summer I'm going to make a short film. My friend is going to be the director. You might have already seen him in previous videos. Oh, and there's my cat. So this friend is called Nicola and he's going to be the director. So this short film is going to be the story of two guys, and one of those guys have autism. And the short film is mainly going to talk about the social pressure on the shoulder of someone, which can lead to some consequences. So I cannot tell you more about the story, but we want to tell this story in a bit of a different way, and we hope that you will be able to help us with that, and you can help us by donating on our crowdfunding. The link is in bio, so if you want to help us bringing this project to life, we would really appreciate it if you could donate a little bit. Or you can share the video with your loved ones and to everyone you know, and this might help bringing this project to life. So yes, that's pretty much it about this short film. So, another thing, next week I'm going on vacation in Corsica and I won't have any editing computer there, so I won't be able to edit and post vlogs, but I will still shoot and I will edit and post everything when I will be back. So like that's, you know, that it's normal if I don't upload any videos for 3 weeks, but I'll come back later, don't worry. So also on one of my last video, not my last one but the previous one, the one called Across the Lake, I just wanted to say thank you because a lot of people told me in private messages or in reality or even in the comments that they really liked the video, and I'm really happy because there was a lot of work behind this video. I think I'm going to try to make less vlogs and videos like this one where I talk in front of the camera, and I'll try to make more of those kind of short documentaries. I mean, it's not really a doc, but you know, it's like a really small short documentary, but I'll try to make more of those because I enjoy making those way more than vlogs. I think they are way better and you seem to like it better, so I'll try to make more of those, even though those videos asks way more work than a video like this one. So I will probably still upload vlogs and videos like that, but I'll try to make more short little documentaries. Also, my last one, the one about skateboarding, I said that I got back to skateboarding and then the whole video was pretty much a joke, but I'm really getting back to skateboarding. I mean, more starting skateboarding because I never really started. So I'm gonna grab something to eat and then yeah, I will skateboard a little bit with my sister because she apparently also wants to start skateboarding. Let's go! So we arrived at the skateboarding spot. The weather is so hot today, 31 degrees Celsius. That's really hot. And my sister is trying to skate right now. I'm going to try to land a few tricks and we'll see how it goes, because I'm really a beginner at skateboarding. Like, I'm not really great at all, so don't expect some crazy results today.
Your turn.
As you can see, we are pretty much beginners in skateboarding. I'll get there, I'll keep you updated every once in a while to see if I'm getting better, if I can land the ollie better, or even the shove because it's not really there yet. But yes, don't forget to check out the crowdfunding, link in bio, and also I forget to mention, the whole part since I unboxed this cell phone in this vlog was shot on the cell phone itself, so you can judge the camera quality right now by watching this video. Anyway, I'm way too tired to carry on this vlog, so see you later guys. I'd be better lying down like in the grass out here, so yeah. See you later, I guess.